Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to make decals on Roblox mobile. First of all guys, you have to open Roblox Chrome browser or any browser you have and just go to roblox.com. It will take you to this page. Now you just tap on this create tab over here and just tap on this menu button and tap on creation option. Now tap on avatar items and you can choose, or you have to tap on this developer option, development items over here. Now you can choose decals from here. Now to create your decals, just tap on upload asset, upload your image, and in this mention detail and enter the name here, description here, and tap on upload button. That's it. That's how you can upload, that's how you can make decals on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.